Hello everyone. Today we look name of the paper mathematical statistical physics and relativity. Today we learn about theory of relativity. First of all discuss about frame of reference. Without wasting any time, let's begin.
What is frame of reference? Uh, by definition, we know that the frame of reference is defined as any coordinate system with respect to which anyone can study the motion of another object. For example, moving a car can be a frame of reference. With moving car, by being in the first moving car itself, before understanding this, let us understand a case. Let us say car is moving on highway with a speed of 100 km per hour. Now when calculating the speed of the car, we completely ignore the fact that the earth's surface is rotating at the equator at a speed of 1670 km per hour, and also the velocity of earth orbit around the sun is about the speed of 30 km per second, and the sun along which the solar system is moving around the Milky Way at speed of 20 km per second, and the Milky Way galaxy is moving toward the remainder galaxy in the universe at the speed of 230 km per second. With all this motion going around, if we calculate the speed of the car with respect to the universe, we will get the car moving with the terminal speed as the speed of the earth, sun, solar system, galaxy. Add to it here to the frame of reference come into play. Let's understand this mathematically. Take the frame of reference inside the stationary, hence the speed of the car is 100 km per hour. Now if we take the frame of reference from outside the earth, say from the moon, we would see that the car is moving at a speed 100 plus 1670, which is equal to 1770 km per hour, where the speed of the car and the rotating speed of the earth gets added. Now if we take our frame, will be the speed of the car is about 109770 km per hour. Adding the speed of the car, the rotation speed of the earth, and also the orbit speed of the earth around the sun. Now if our frame of the reference with respect to the galaxy center of the Milky Way, then we get the speed of the car is about 1770 km per hour, where the orbital speed of the sun around the Milky Way get added. Now with respect to the universe, we get the speed of the car is approximately equal of 1,010,000 km per hour. So that a lot of speed of imagine, but for us the car doesn't appear to be with the huge speed, but it appear to be about 100 km per hour. This is the because of the frame of reference, as the observer frame of reference inside the earth, and for the observer earth it's stable. That why frame of reference come into play. Hope